Alright, so mechanical mumbo jumbo stuff. That's before the timing. Yeah, before, that's compression numbers, and you read my sketchiness, they're up. There is an issue in cylinder 2. I don't know what it is. It might be like whenever the timing chain went out, one of the valves pinged. But most of the time it's all instead of one. And we got your new timing stuff's going on. Yeah, all your new guides and chains and whatnot, and there's some shrapnel down there, and some more shrapnel broken stuffs here. I don't know, various stuff I've kicked throughout the garage, but yeah, hopefully I'll have this thing back to you tomorrow. That's that lady's roof I put on the neighbor after I put on our roof. Pretty cool. Me and my kid TJ, we put on that roof, and that roof. All 3 roofs in a row. Yeah, me and my son. But moral of the story is, compression's up, new timing stuff, and I'll hopefully have your car back tomorrow.